feel like ocean view 잊혀지지 않아 me and you 지나간 여름밤에 driving 너만 소리고 있었지만 내게 웃으며 다가온 너 아무렇지 않은 척이었지만 내 맘은 singing like Yeah I'm singing like 괜찮은 척 일단 grooving 너 괜찮은 난 해요 proving 아련하게 밀려오는 파도 여기 ocean view is good yeah 지금 분위기 cool yeah 아직 내 맘은 surfing surfing on you searching where ocean view is good yeah 화려한 조명 cool light that summer ocean view feel like ocean view
아직도 난 기억나 처음 만난 여름바다의 그 향기가 아무 말 없이 바라보다가 용기 내서 건넨 첫 마디가 Let's go driving 솔직히 난 아직 못 잊지 shit 여름 지난 밤이 그립지 shit 갤러리 보는 짓 일상이 휙 지나가지 이미 11시 이제 와서 무리가 여름이 다 지나가고서야 우리가 오션 뷰 하나 때문에 다시 보게 되는 스토리는 되게 이상하지 요 앞에서 만나 요 앞에서 만나 지금 다 와가 난
여기 ocean view is good yeah 지금 분위기 cool yeah 아직 내 맘은 surfing surfing on you searching where ocean view is good yeah 화려한 조명 cool light that summer ocean view feel like ocean view 지난 여름 ocean view 잊지 못해 and you 지금 여긴 우리 둘만의 party feels so good I like this ocean view I like this ocean view 여기 ocean view is good yeah 지금 분위기 cool yeah 아직 내 맘은 surfing surfing on you searching well ocean view is good yeah 화려한 조명 cool light that summer ocean view feel like ocean view I look up to the sky all the clouds are swimming right by kind of wonder why sometimes I see more through the night maybe the stars bright light wake up the dark how I like but it's different lately since the day we said goodbye
拜拜拜拜小鸟拜拜这个竟然是一块糖哎，五花肉。
I'm returning, then I find an empty alphabet I'm hiding, and it's what's cause I can't get you. The sky shines brighter when we both look right. I wish we lasted just to got you here. My love, there's no line, no line. I guess to see her face.
看见。
got me unfaded. It's cold outside, but spring's in the corner and I'm waiting. On the way to wait, she saw the flowers blooming up, telling me how winter sucks for you. One more that I can do. Know we met this year this season. That's why so memorable for me. We worked so hard where we'd be, and that's enough for me right now. What you've been dying to see, but you be the flower for me. I prefer marigold, but it's the lily from the valley that you want. What you've been dying to see, but you be the flower for me. I prefer marigold, but it's the lily from the valley that you want.